this has been quite a long journey for this box. So thank you from HEWITTZ Workshop. Inside is something that will make Mustang Hunter very queasy at his knees. In fact, so queasy that he will not be able to torment me anymore. Just gonna put that out there. Thank you to HEWITTZ Workshop. On screen now will be a bunch of pictures from his YouTube and his Instagram and his eBay store. He sells some diecast on there. It's kind of him and one of his friends stuff, so have a look on there. If you see something, make sure to ask, because you won't get it if you ask, or if you don't ask, you won't have. Prices will be on there, so have a look. And well, that's going wrong. The box. Alright, what should I start with here? That style. So the thing is, it is absolutely horrible to deal with. Whatever they've made it out of, it's absolutely awful. Right, where should I start? I guess I'll start on the top. Dollar General exclusive 70 Volkswagen Baja Bug. This is my first one of this casting, and it is a Dollar General exclusive. Look at that. German flag on the top there. That looks rather nice. And of course an American exclusive, can't go wrong with that. Right there, move that paper. Next, Dollar General exclusive Jeep Gladiator, also my first of this casting. Quite nice, I do like it. Love those bikes in the back there, nice casting detail. As you can see, quite nice. Not that wrong with it. Quite well casting. Next, Zemac, another first. This is the Surf and Turf. It's from 2021. Art cars, quite nice. I like it. More Zemacs in my collection. Ain't gonna say anything to that. And look what that is. I love a Mini. Absolutely love a Mini. Look at that. Nice little details in the front and on the top. Love a Mini. 2018 Honda Civic Type R. This is out of the K case. I'm still an E case. I haven't seen anything newer. Maybe a bit of F. With that Mazda RX-3, but nothing else. Quite sad to be honest, but I absolutely love that deco. The mainline is enough really, even without a super. Look at that. You're not like that. The details are superb. Another Honda Civic, or technically a Civic, 1976 Honda CVC. This is a first for me as well. I really do like this casting. A lot of details. Quite a small car in real life. It was obviously the first gen edition of the Civic. Obviously not branded as a Civic, but it was basically a Civic. Then and now for GT40. I have one of these already, so one of these is going to get cracked. And we'll have that in the montage for the end. Beautiful deco on that. Oh, pink Skyline. I like Skylines. That is a 2000 GTX. In that same series, we've got some Nissans, Eclipses. I actually like that deco. Pink really stands out. I really like that. More Zemac. This is of course Derek's favourite of the year, in both mainlines and of course supers, and of course Zemacs. He loves this thing. I mean, how can you not really? Like, the curves in it are amazing. But not being sarcastic, I really do like this casting. It's quite a nice casting in general. I like the deco. Deco's quite nice. I could have obviously done better. The Zemac on the just noticed that actually. We have a Zemac deco. 2021 Zemac. How cool. And I'm stuck to the stupid glue. And this is a custom 18 Ford Mustang GT. Joey Legato or something like that. It's a red edition from 2020, I believe. Sadly the glue's coming off there, but I'm going to leave it. I really like that paint. That paint is just, it's like a ruby red, metallic sort of colour. It's beautiful. That is genuinely, that is gold. Look at that. That is absolutely beautiful. And that is only my second ever red edition. Another Dollar General. This is a rather scuffed up but still in its package Camaro Worldwide 67 Camaro or Camaro. Deco is rather nice. I really like this colour. Apparently some people have found it in 10 packs. None come by me, so I would know that's a G case. Can't wait for G case so I can get more of those yellow Volvos. I need 1 2 of them. Oh, this is one I've been waiting for. Ah, I love that colour. So this is a casting I've been trying to collect every single variation of, and so far I have. Just got to get the one later in the year. Hope that's red, I'm not entirely sure. How can you not like that deco? I mean, to start off with, we've got beautiful indicators. Beautiful detail in there. We can focus that up. Yeah, it's drying. No, it's not going to work. But we've just got beautiful paint colour on that. That's beautiful. I love the wheels that they've chosen. Love those lace wheels. Colour is amazing, that. Almost describe it as a lizard breath colour. It's amazing. Why do all cats look much? Zamac. This is the new wave, I believe. This is the Chevy Silverado Boss LT, or the Trail Boss LT, and I really like the yellow deco. This is definitely a much nicer deco than the one that was released earlier in the year, in D case I believe. It wasn't a bad casting, it's just those wood wheels are slightly bad. I think we need to get rid of them soon. I'll do a wheel swap or eventually on them. And look what we have here, more red editions. 70 Dodge Power Wagon. Of course, I haven't seen the second variation of this one. This is the red edition weed colour. I really like that. It'd be nice if it came with a mud deco, if it did have the mud tyres, but sadly not. Cool Combi. I always like the Cool Combi. Got my first Cool Combi in the other helicopter deco. You saw that in a video past. That was a whole video. That is H-Case. Can't wait for H-Case so I can get one of those Audi RS2s. That is genuinely one of my favourite castings. I haven't got any yet, but I will get one as soon as I do see one. And definitely definitely my favourite red edition is this Corvette C7R. How can you not like that casting? It's a beautiful new casting designed by Rio Asada. Legendary. There's of course also H-Case. Love that deco as well. I do prefer the yellow, but this is a close second. It's all the Lucy's, all the Carders. It's got to head on to the next last, so I'm going to go for this Matchbox. This is from the 2021 wave of the new Matchbox Collector's Series, and I like it. I'm guessing it's a new Superfast, or a new rendition of the Superfast. And honestly, this Lamborghini Centenario looks... Oh, sorry, Centenario? Yes. Is it Centenario? Not entirely sure, but this Lamborghini absolutely brilliant. It's actually got a flake or a sort of metallic colour on there. You can't really tell from there, but it's got a metallic colour. I really like those sort of lace wheels, the same ones that are on my Skyline. That rear detail is absolutely superb. Detail on the roof is amazing. We'll get this one out to show you guys. Opening doors. It comes in a collector's box. Things in there, the back, license and information, nothing to it. All cue the music, because this is, well, it's oh, I actually have one. Mustang in the style. Look at that. Look at it, man. Wow. I mean, I have no words. Nissan GTR Premium Box Set. This ain't getting opened. In the back, the R32, R33 and R34 with the retro rig. Look at it. Look at it, man. This is the best box set they've ever released. Changed my mind. They won't release a better one than this. Look at them, man. I love those wheels on the retro rig. Some Nissan in the background. R34 looking brilliant. R33 also looking good. And R32 as well. Can't beat an R32. Look at it. I love the fact that the GDR logo is just faded in the background. Made in Thailand. The first box set, this is honestly the best I could have wished for. Look at it, man. Oh, just look at it. Look at it. I cannot believe this. Look at it, man. I am lost for words at how good that actually looks. I really don't know what to say. Next week we'll be having a 300 subscribers special. Stay tuned because a few, recognisable faces will be showing up there. And, well, maybe some new ones too. So I hope you'll all stick around for that. I'll get that Lamborghini open and we'll have a montage at the end. So thank you all for the support. I really do thank you for 300 subscribers. And of course EJ for this, well, just look at it, man. Finally, I cannot be tormented by the one and only Mustang hunter. He can finally be equal, I guess, because he's finally got a Mustang 2 Fox body. No, not Fox body. He's finally got a Mustang 2. So I guess we can both revel in peace. So thank you to EJ. It's been a journey, but it's finally here, and I'm proud to centrally display it somewhere. Because this thing ain't getting opened anytime soon, unless someone seriously changes my mind. Just thank you everyone for this constant support, and well, just look at it. I had to crack a Lambo. I had to do it on camera. I mean, look at that. Tremendous detail. It's narrow over the red lines. I've only ever seen them with the yellow accents, never with the red, and I really do like it. Bring that down there. It's a beautiful casting. Of course, the opening feature being the doors. That is amazing. Why do I like that so much? Not usually an exotic person, but honestly it ain't that bad. It rolls well, which of course it's Matchbox. It rolls well, it looks well. All I can do now is thank you all for watching, and thank you especially to EJ for making things like that GTR box set just off camera, just there, possible. Thank you extremely for everyone, and I cannot wait to do this 300 subscriber special, because thank you.